Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Today I am going to do an ombre. I have this new Crystalac. I'll be having this new glitter glue that will be for sale soon. Right now it is, I just got a sample, so right now it's not available, but it will be available soon. So I'm going to apply it, do it in a strip, and brush it on. Now it is thinner than Mod Podge. It's not quite as thick as Mod Podge, so there's that. It takes 2 hours to dry before you can reapply or add bright tone over top. It does dry a little tacky. You can seal your glitter with it, but it cannot be your top coat. To get it to, they recommend you use a wet brush. So I wet my brush before. Ooh, I'm getting lots of bubbles. Gotta wipe some off because I put a little too much.
So what do you think? I think it's great. I tell you what, I had my doubts about this, but it looks pretty good. So what happened? You know, I had to gut the thing and take everything off and rebuild everything on it. Everything on this bike was dented, bent, twisted, you know, because they used to climb up everything, and you know, they're
Alright, I think we're good. So I'm going to start with my silver. The customer wanted silver and LOL from Bling's Bling, although they no longer sell that. Bling Bling no longer sells glitter, so if you have it, that's awesome. If not, there are plenty of light pink glitters. My favorite glitters are usually from Glitter Chimp. That's one of my favorite suppliers. So I'm gonna go about a fourth of the way, a quarter. I don't know what that is.
Time and time again, Rick Dale delivers. Getting to the point where he just sneezes on something and he makes me money. He never disappoints.
Sorry, I got like extreme coverage over here. Just fixing that up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going, let me see if I can, there's a chance I'm gonna switch it. Let's see, can you see that? Okay. And I'm gonna kind of sprinkle it down.
On this episode of Pawn Stars, what do we have here?
Now I'm starting with my darker color because I don't know, that's what works best for me, I guess. Now I'm only lightly tapping. I'm not doing a whole lot. Don't want a whole lot to fall because I want it to just lightly fall down. And I want it to go about halfway. I have it at quite a bit of an angle.
I work here with my old man and my son because everything in here has a story and a price.
Probably about an 80-degree angle.
21 years, you never know what is going to come through that door.
Okay, so I think that's good. I'm gonna move my glitter.
Hey, what can I do?
Put that glitter out of the way. And now I'm gonna start my pink. I'm gonna start it right about the middle. And I'm gonna sprinkle it like I did.
Decided to come to the pawn shop today to sell my maps and battle plans of the battle.
Like I did my
Most well-known battles
silver.
in the Pacific. The raising of the flag on Mount Sarabachi.
Just let it fall.
Pictures of World War II there is. So how did you get these? They were my dad's. He was a landing craft operator. Took the Marines on the beach. His name is on the papers itself. These were his papers. W.D. Coxwell? No, W.D. Fields Coxon. What's a coxswain? Coxon was a
And then go strong on the bottom.
My dad actually carried these maps into the battle itself. They were briefed on this beforehand. They were all top secret. No one knew exactly what was going on until the actual battle itself. All these maps show the different depths of tides, certain times of the day, what was in each certain section of the beach.
The Iwo Jima is only 650 miles from Tokyo. Capturing that island meant that we could reach their largest city, and this was the key to victory. They put thousands and thousands of people on this beach.
Okay, and then I give it a little shaky. Shake it, and you should have a perfect ombre, just like that. It's so pretty. So start with your dark color, because if you end with your dark color, I find that it doesn't blend as well, and then you end up with like a sharp line. I know, because I had to do this video again because I started with my light color. So start with your darker. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. Just follow these steps and you'll have a perfect ombre. Bye guys.